Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I have this affordable yellow bronze easy eye makeup look for you. The palette I'm using today is by Makeup Obsession and it's the Sunshine Makes Me Happy palette. I'm starting off by using this shade Buttercup in the corner here and I'm applying this in the lid. This is going to be our transition colour. Now taking the shade Ray, which is a more deeper type of yellow, and I'm applying this in the crease as well, just under the first shade. Taking this shade Bronzed Goddess, and I'm applying this all over the lid. The shade Sandy Toes, I'm applying this in the inner corner of my eye as my highlighter. This is a nice shimmery colour. I'm now going to take the Maybelline Gel EyeLiner and create my winged eyeliner with this. This is the Collection Eye Definer eye pencil and I'm just lining my waterline with this. I'm now going to curl my natural lashes and apply some falsies and then just use some mascara to blend everything together to finish the look off. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this easy sunshine makeup look using affordable products. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I upload weekly. And until then, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!